Hey, welcome to Dove Tech Talks. Nah, I'm just joking. We're not doing that. Hey, this is a little thing I'm going to do for you single women out there, and women, if you want to come in too, that you're not single, you can do that too. But single moms, single gals, young people, I want to have a day up here at my shop at 426 South Prairie, Bethalto, Illinois. I want you to come and bring your car that you drive every day. We're going to start showing you how to check your oil. We're going to start showing you how to check your brake fluid. We're going to show you how to change a tire on your car. You're going to be doing these things on your car. So what we'd like to do is set a date. Reply in the comments below what date would work best for you on a Saturday. That would be, optimal. A Saturday, if it's whatever the date may be. Let's make sure it's nice and warm out. I got a big parking lot. We'll park all the cars out here. I'm going to go around and we're going to talk about some of the things that you can do to your car and make sure that you understand the terminology and things on your car and where they're at on your car. I could bring a car in here and show you where the oil is, the dipstick tube is on my Ford Ranger, but that doesn't mean it's going to be the same place on your Honda. So we want you to bring your car to Horton's Auto and Outdoor, and we're going to show you how to do things on your personal vehicle, because that's what we do. We're here to help you girls, and we're here to help you guys that are new to the cars. You might not know a whole lot, but if you want to come up here and learn a little bit about your own personal vehicle that you drive every day, so that when you go to the mechanic, you're a little bit better informed about what you might need or might not need. Hey, this is Eddie, Horton's Auto and Outdoor. Don't forget, come in, comment below, and tell me what date you'd like to do this on. Thanks.